Hello, welcome to today's lesson. We have English, okay? Last week we started learning about punctuations, okay? And we made mention of the fact that punctuations are symbols that make sentences or written work more meaningful. Today we looked at last week we looked at the comma, we looked at the full stop, we also looked at the question mark. Today we are going to look at the apostrophe. Everyone say after me, apostrophe. Very good. And these are keywords for today. We have punctuation. Say the keywords after me, please. Punctuation. Good. Apostrophe. Good. Possession. Very good. All right. Now look at the sentence here. This storybook is for Na. Na is my daughter. So if I ask you, whose storybook is this? What will you say? You will say, Na. This is Na's storybook. This is Na's storybook. Isn't it? If I ask you, whose storybook is this? You would say, this is Na's storybook. Okay. Now, this is the apostrophe. Okay. This symbol right here is our apostrophe. And what does it mean? Or what is its use here? What is it doing here? What is it doing before the A and what is it doing after the A and before the S? It is showing possession. It is telling us that this storybook is for Na. So now, if you are asked, what is an apostrophe? An apostrophe is used to show possession. And what do we mean by possession? We mean that something belongs to someone. Is that okay? So let's write that. An apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show possession. So that is why we have the keyword possession here. So an apostrophe, this keyword apostrophe is a punctuation that is used to show possession. Now this word possession means that something belongs to someone. Okay, it is used to tell us that something belongs to someone. So in this sentence, whose storybook is this? This is Na's storybook. Nas tells us that this storybook belongs to Na. Is that okay? Now let's have another sentence. Whose pencil is this? Let's say the pencil is for Kofi. Okay, so the pencil is for Kofi. If I ask you, whose pencil is this? If you want to use the apostrophe and you don't want to form a sentence like this, the pencil is for Kofi, what would you say? Yes, try. Good. This is Kofi's pencil. Okay, this is Kofi. So after writing the word Kofi or the name Kofi, you put your apostrophe up here like this, and then you add your S. Okay, so this is Kofi's pencil. I hope you understand me. Okay, so Kofi's pencil shows possession. It shows that this pencil belongs to Kofi. Is that okay? Let's have another sentence. My mom has a red car. full stop. Now, if I ask you to change this sentence, use an apostrophe to show possession, to show that the red car belongs to your mom, what will you say? I'm sure you got that right. My mom's, so your mom, then apostrophe S, my mom's red car. Is that okay? I hope you understand it up to this point. Very good. When we have our next Zoom meeting, we'll have a lot of time for you to ask all the questions you want. Okay, let's have another one last sentence and then you can call it a day. This house is for my uncle. Full stop. This house is for my uncle. Now, if I ask you to reformulate the sentence or form another sentence using the apostrophe to show possession, how will you form it? I'll give you just a minute. Try your hands on it before I give you the correct. I'm sure you get it correct, or you don't even need me to write it on the board. Very good. My uncle's house, or this is my uncle's house. This is my uncle's house. So always remember that the apostrophe comes first and then the S follows. So apostrophe comes after the name and then, or after the noun, and then the S follows. So this is my uncle. Uncle first of all, then your apostrophe will come, then the S. And that shows possession. Thank you very much. And this is used when we are referring to only singular nouns. Okay? During next week, on Tuesday when we have our Zoom meeting, we will talk about how to use the apostrophes to show possession when we have plural nouns. Is that okay? All right. So today we have learned about the apostrophe, and we have learned that the apostrophe is used to show possession. It is used to show that something belongs to someone. The apostrophe is used to show that something belongs to someone. So it is used to show that something belongs. I've said it already, but I just want to write it for those who like to write in their notebook. Something belongs to someone. Okay, and we have looked at examples we have formed sentences using the apostrophe. Okay, and remember that after the noun, the apostrophe comes and then the S follows. Okay, and the apostrophe is used to show that something belongs to someone. Okay, so try it out at home when you are speaking with your siblings, with your friends. Try using the apostrophe. You can try your hands on lots of examples and we can discuss them when we have our Zoom meeting on Tuesday. All right, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.